gonna be reviewing this. I'm not gonna be reviewing. I'm gonna tell you a story of the theft in Poppete's refrigerator. I'll tell you in short first. Poppet was going on a picnic while a Shopkin was took out all the things out from the refrigerator, all the food. So what would Poppet do? Anyways, put down in the comments where is Fiona Fries and put it down in the comments. This is our treasure hunt, so put it in the comments. Anyways, on to the story. It was a nice bright day in the shop while Poppet was sitting and she was going to bathe herself. Up, up, up. Hey, I just wish we could go on some outside and eat with my petkins. Only my petkins, no one else, because I love my puppy parlor petkins. Oopsies. Sorry. Bubbleisha has gone outside. Now I have to take care of you, but you can't come. And you have to take care of the house. Okay? I have a great idea. Since I'm getting bored, why don't I take my petkins for a picnic? My puppy parlor petkins. Yay, yay, yay. I got the best idea. Let me go down and tell them. Boing, 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 boing. Wow. Ouchies. Never mind. That didn't hurt that much. Hey, petkins, puppy parlor petkins, my dearest friends, I have a surprise for you. What? Don't worry, baby parlor brick petkins. I'll tell you. I know you love surprises, all of you, because whenever I get a parcel, you always shout and scream. Yay! We got a delivery! Isn't it? So, I'll tell you the surprise. I am going to take you on a picnic. I'll just go over there to get my picnic basket, and we're going today evening. Now it's morning, so let's just go and sleep. I'll sleep over here and keep the basket over there. Banana Split Sunday heard this and got very jealous. I should make an evil plan so that they can go on a picnic and have to stay at home because they are like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. They are not taking us, the refrigerators. Actually, they'll eat us. How rude. I've got an idea. Let me tell. Now the fridge Shopkins are sleeping, I can put them in the bin. I can put them in the Shopkins bag adoption center. Come on. Let's turn the refrigerator. Need a bit of help. Maybe this cup will help. Yeah, I'm moving. Yeah. Oh, that pain lot. Now I have to get out. Ow, I got out. Oof, finally. Let's open it slowly and get Mila out. She's still sleeping. I guess all the Shopkins are in deep sleep. Let me put her in. Let's take out all the other Shopkins. Let me put the eggy. One by one, all Shopkins went. soon. It was night and she also went inside. It was afternoon. She was searching whether Brittany Brownie was awake or asleep, as he was the hero of the town. I hope he wasn't there. I guess I should not go to sleep. I'll just look whether with my spy jar to see whether Brittany Brownie is awake or asleep. Shopkins felt something ticklish, but that didn't wake them up. It was up to Brittany and Vicky Rack were awake. They were the two superheroes. As you know, Brittany Brownie was a hero for the last video, mysterious theft in Shopkinville. But the new mysterious hero is Vicky Rack. She is new, so they both were still guarding the place. And Vicky Rack was a new one. Her queen also was alive. Sleeping. She was sleepwalking. Ooh. Then, when it was evening, everyone got up from their afternoon sleep. Come on, let's go to the refrigerator. Wait for here, puppy parlor, petkins. I'll go get some yummy food for us to eat in the picnic. Whoop, whoop. Let's open and see. What? Nothing is there. Only a vegetable. Only PB kiwi is there. Only PB kiwi. And only cheese and potato. Where are all my rest of the shop? Oh no, someone save me. Now I have to eat only this and there won't be enough for my other puppy collars. Let me go report this matter to the queen. Cupcake Queen. Puppet went with Cupcake Queen. Cupcake Queen, I need your heroes of the town of Shopkinville to help me, please. I need a lot of help. Someone over here has stolen my Shopkins in the refrigerator. How can you? You live in Shopkinville. That's the most safest place. And anyways, after the theft in Shopkinville, Really Pinky has been released, and she said no one. So how can you do that? How can someone do that? It's been got safely. Someone help us. We're tied. What? And how did you do that? Someone did that. We couldn't see because we were guarding the place and they suddenly did that. Let me go talk to Miss Rudy Pinky if she's there. Miss Rudy Pinky. Yes? Have you stolen puppets? Shopkins? No way. Let's go to the light. Okay. I have an idea. Let's just go. What else did you see in your refrigerator? I just saw some black bow prints and they're oval shaped. Oval shaped. Vicky Rack, do you know? I'm suspecting that it's banana split. That's a good one. Same to me, even I suspected that too. I'll send these two for the mystery. Where could she be hiding? I know, at the back Hello, Queen. Please come where the mystery heroes are. Now tell, have you stolen Poppete's shopping? No, I haven't. Me too. Wrong. She has stolen Poppete's Shopkins. What? How dare you? Dare you? I'll change your name to Rude Split. No, please, and I'll send you to jail. Go inside the picnic basket, and you're going to be eaten for sure. So Cupcake Queen said, I think you should let the picnic happen inside the house. Oh, sure. Because we also would like to join you. Come on, let's eat. Oopsies. Let's slide the picnic basket. So that was the way they ate and lived happily ever after. And anyways, did you find Fiona, friends? Here she was. Anyway, guys, hope to subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you on my next mysterious Shopkin video. Bye bye.